Hi, my name is Dylan Butterbaugh with Manoa Chocolate, and we're here with the 2019 HCCA conference, the Hawaii Cacao Chocolate Association, and we're learning all about best practices, harvesting, what is right. We're going to learn about grafting, pruning, and the whole works of growing really good chocolate so that we can make good chocolate.
So what is the mission of HCCA?
To be able to share really good information so that people don't have to learn the hard way more than once.
Well, I'm cracking. Yeah, I'm Gunner's Volunteers. I'm the owner and CEO of the chocolate farm here, Maui Cacao Estate Chocolate, and also the factory, Maui Cacao Estate Chocolate Inc. And what we're doing here is a little field day for the HCCA conference. Typically we do farm tours for the conference. This is more hands-on. It's really to promote the industry across the entire state of Hawaii, and so we have representatives, I think, from every island here today because they're interested in what's going on at the different farms, and see other people's methods, other practices, to see if it could be a best practice for them as well.
H to the C, to the C to the A. I mean, it's what's up. My name is Will Lidgate from Lidgate Farms. Super stoked to be here. Got to bring my team out from Kauai, and we're seeing how it's done over here at Kuia Estate. You gotta remember how much value there is, especially for farmers in Hawaii, to go to a different farm, see how it's done in another place. I think one of our disadvantages is we don't have that sense of how it's done yet. So developing that sense of here's how it's done in Hawaiian cacao, I think is going to be the difference for the future of our industry. I'm just learning, I'm soaking it up.
Sunglasses, all right. My name is Dave Elliott. I work with Oahu Resource Conservation and Development Council, and that's a nonprofit that's been helping farms throughout Hawaii for the last 20 years, doing conservation agriculture and extension, training, outreach, promoting sustainable agriculture. And I'm here to talk about the Hawaii Cacao Survey, which is something we do annually, to give feedback to the industry about how cacao how much is grown in the state of Hawaii, how much people are planning to grow, what the average harvest is, other pieces of data like that can help industry players in cacao and chocolate kind of make better decisions, and it can also help us all do a better job of getting the word out in Hawaii and elsewhere of what we're doing here.
All right, what do you want to know? All right, my name's Colin Hart. I'm currently a grad student at UH Manoa in the CTAR department, College of Tropical Agriculture and Natural Resource Management. And I just finished up about 2 years of research on post-harvest processing for cacao in Hawaii. And I'm here to give a presentation, kind of talk about my research, and yeah, just to see this farm. This is the first time I've been here, so it's been a really good experience. So yeah, meet with other people that are involved in the community and the industry, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Aloha, I'm Barefoot Chocolatini Maddie Smith, and I live on the Big Island. I'm here to really learn how to find the best fruit, the best genetics, and the do's and don'ts of a well-fermented bean, drying protocols included, to really make the best chocolate possible, and to highlight the industry as a whole in Hawaii, to make Hawaii a worldwide destination for chocolate lovers and also people who grow cacao and want to learn more about the fine chocolate industry in Hawaii.
Born ready. Can I start with born ready? Born ready. I'm Snooki. Every once in a while I get to work at someone's pleasure, designing and building a chocolate factory, or repurposing machines that weren't designed for chocolate to make chocolate, or rescuing machines that were once vintage and stellar performers for making chocolate and give them new life. And I get to work with a bunch of people doing things that they're often quite enthused about, learning about, and I get to participate in sometimes some very steep, deep and broad learning curves, and that rocks my boat.
Hi, I'm Eric. What do? I'm a farm manager for Dylan and Dan the beginning stages, and I'm here to learn about cacao and what's the harvest and what the pests are, like pests over here.
Good camera.
The aphids, anti and aphids, and ripeness and general growing of cacao.
What's the farm called?
Which farm? Kahanamnui?
Okay. Hey, my name is Max Breen. I'm a student at UH Manoa in the College of Tropical Agriculture, Human Resources, and I'm studying cacao, more specifically doing research in clonal rootstock production. And I'm here at Gunner's Farm in Maui, meeting people from the industry, networking, and seeing a really beautiful farm that has an emphasis on clonal varieties and yeah, growing cacao and producing chocolate efficiently and in a really smart way. So it's good to be here.
One of the advantages of using this kind of commercial potting mix is, well, it works really well. It's very light and airy. The trees grow quickly in it. But also you can directly plant the seed with the pulp intact, right? So it's pretty easy. There's no pre-processing and you get very close to 100% germination. So that's what we prefer to do.